Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to block someone on Telegram, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to block someone on Telegram, it's actually so easy. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Telegram. And after opening your Telegram, you will now be able to see all your contacts right here, so just find the one that you want to block. So let's say that this is the one that you want to block, for example. So to do that, I want you to long press to select their profile. And after long pressing, next, I want you to tap the three dots at the top right corner. And after that, you will now be able to see the block user option right here, so just tap it to block the contact. And then Telegram will ask you for confirmation if you really want to block the account, so just tap the block user button to confirm it. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, you have now blocked the contact on Telegram. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.